Welcome to another quick tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply cash out XRP on Trust Wallet. It's an easy process. All you need to do is make sure you know the network your XRP is stored in. That's, for me, it's the BEP20. That's the BNB pegged XRP token. And as you can see here, there's no direct option to sell XRP on Trust Wallet. So what we're going to do is simply convert our XRP into a token that can be simply sold, which is the BNB. If you click on this icon that says more, and here we go, the direct sell option is here, so we can simply make use of this. So all we need to do is head back to the XRP, click on swap XRP to Binance chain, and now we can simply swap our XRP into BNB. So just simply search for BNB, and now if you were to swap everything, that's 100% into BNB, click on approve, and we can simply swap our XRP into the BNB. And once you've done that, all you need to do is head over to the BNB, click on this more, click on sell, and you'll notice that we're going to be using Ramp as the provider for this trade, and we need to sell 0.07 of the BNB. In order to use the Ramp, we have to have a minimum of 0.07 BNB in order to trade on here. But if you do not have that, and if you do not wish to pay the excessive gas fees that come with trading directly on Trust Wallet, you can use a centralized exchange to sell your BNB. So all you need to do is simply send your BNB or XRP, as the case may be, over to a centralized exchange known as Binance. So open up your Binance and simply click on this deposit option. And now with the deposit, you can either deposit your XRP here, depending on the network. If you notice, we were using the Binance pegged XRP, so we can use the BEP20, this BEP20 network here, to send our XRP here, or we can use BNB and select the BEP20 and send the BNB over here. So I'm going to be sending XRP. All you need to do is simply click on this, click on copy, minimize, open up your Trust Wallets, click on the XRP, click on send, and once you've clicked on send, paste the address you just copied, click on max and click on continue, and then simply click on confirm, and your XRP would then be deposited on Binance here. So you simply reload and give it some time to load in. Head over to the wallet, scroll from your overview to spot, then scroll to funding, reload, and XRP. Now, in order to make use of this XRP, all you need to do is simply convert this XRP into USDT and sell on Binance, so you can get it out, so you can cash it out. So that's XRP to USDT. Click on this spot wallets, click on funding wallets, click on max, click on preview conversion, and click on convert. Boom, conversion successful. Head back home and simply head over to the P2P option, which is here. As you can see, P2P, click on the P2P option, click on the sell for the USDT. Use the filter here, the filter icon, to enter the amount of your local currency you wish to sell, and click on this sell option here. Put in an amount and simply click on sell with 0 fees, and that's all. But you cannot perform this transaction without having an account on Binance. So by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading bonuses and rebates when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can cash out XRP from Trust Wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.